scary, but you take my breath away. When you say you'll always be there, it paints such a lovely picture. But no matter how you frame it, it's still pornography. Nobody seems to hear till I scream and shout. Even if you tie me down and you blow my candle out, I'll still glow. I'll still glow. I'll be the perfect someone that you'll never know. I'll still glow. I see this girl with so much anger, pacified by holding strangers, making peace with all her danger by looking in the mirror. The pureness in my name is gone now. You've taken it too far, but somehow I'll lick my wounds and take the last bow and hold my cold left hand. There's so many things that you rant about. The only thing I know for sure, if you blow my candle out, I'll still glow. I'll still glow. I'll be the perfect someone that you'll never know. I'll still glow. I'll still glow. I'll be the perfect someone that you'll never know. I'll still glow. I'll still glow. I'll be the perfect someone that you'll never